Alright, and here we go for MattE. This is going to be 2013 Topps Prime Football. One autograph relic and autograph card per box. 2 relic cards per box as well. MattE, good luck. Let's get to breaking. If you'd like to be like MattE, get a box broken live here on Breakers TV. We are here every Monday through Friday breaking your boxes live. SteelCityCollectibles.com/breakroom is the place to go. Just click the live breaks on demand banner. Get to see all the live break eligible products. Find the one you want, click the Break This Live for Me button, and we'll get it broken live for you here on Breakers TV. Focus on the hits here. And we got the rookie Denard Robinson. And we've got a gold foil Tony Romo. Gold foil Darren Sproles. Speaking of the Green Bay Packers, we got the dual combo jersey, Eddie Lacy and Jonathan Franklin, 290 of 330. Green Bay Packers conversation currently happening in the Breakers TV chat room. Sidney Rice, Primetime Performers autograph. That is going to be 8 of 15. Cool card there. Sidney Rice, a solid receiver on a number of my fantasy teams of the last few years prior to his injuries. Janoris Jenkins on the gold as well. This is going to be the Prime Timers Janoris Jenkins insert. And we have a sweet-looking DeAndre Hopkins quad jersey autograph. That is 173 of 299. Nice card indeed, LSD. T.Y. Hilton on the Prime Performance. Gold card of C.J. Spiller. And cool quad jersey here. E.J. Manuel, Geno Smith, Mike Glennon, and Matt Barkley. 14 of 373. Final pack of the Prime here for MattE. And it's an Eli Manning gold insert there. So MattE, appreciate you breaking live with us here on Breakers TV. We'll get those out to you soon.